Raisins. They're chewy, they're sweet, they're tangy, but are they any good in meatballs? Well, today, let's find out. Now, this is a very simple meatball recipe and one of my favorite cooking techniques as well. I have a pound of beef and a pound of pork. You can use bison, lamb, all beef, all pork, whatever floats your boat. And you're gonna love this part. The ingredients are very basic. A lot of raisins, a lot of green onion, and a lot of curry powder. However, I will start off with just a little pinch of salt and pepper first. Can't go wrong with that, just some generous seasoning. Now my raisins are quite large, so I'm gonna chop them up real quick. I'm just gonna roughly chop these up. They don't need to be real small. I'll put those in there. That's about 3/4 of a cup, by the way. Then the diced green onion into the bowl. Then plenty of curry powder. Not exactly sure how much that is. I just know it forms like a layer on the top. It's very visible, but I'll be sure to measure it and put the ingredients in the description below for you. Now it's time to mix it up. And roll them out. There are our meatballs. Let's head over to the stove. We'll get our pan nice and hot here. And then I'll put just a touch of oil in. And in go the meatballs. Now, I don't want to overcrowd the pan, so I'm going to save the rest of these for either another batch or I'm going to freeze them for another day. And after about 3 minutes or so, we'll give these a little flip. And cook them on that side for about 3 minutes. Now at this point, the meatballs are about halfway cooked. I'm going to go ahead and pour in some chicken stock until they're covered about 1/4 of the way. I'm just going to let these simmer away in the broth, absorbing all that extra flavor until they're cooked all the way through. Now I'm not placing a lid on top of this because I want the broth to reduce down because we're going to make a sauce with that. Mine's been simmering away for about 3 to 5 minutes here. I'm going to remove them from the pan now. If you're not sure if they're done, feel free to just cut it in half and check. And then the broth, I continue to simmer it so it reduces down into a nice pan sauce. Now as this starts to thicken up a bit, I'm just going to add a little dollop of butter. Turn down the heat a little bit and just blend that in. Once the butter is melted, shut the heat off. And that'll create a beautiful pan sauce. Now you might be thinking to yourself, raisins inside meatballs? Really? I say, absolutely delicious. Don't knock it till you try it. All right, let's give it to the tiny taste testers, see what they think. Until next time, go cook something delicious for someone you love. All right, here we go, guys. Go ahead and try those meatballs.
I like how they have a lot of flavor, and I do like the raisins in them. I like how it's like 1% spicy, and I like the sauce and also the raisins.
All right, thanks guys.
Welcome.